So you've got ambition. You dream big. You crave success and envision a life that feels like it was tailor-made for you. But here's the catch. You're not doing the work. You have a clear idea of what needs to be done, yet you avoid it. Instead, you delay, scroll, binge, and stall. This avoidance slowly gives way to guilt because deep down you know you're capable of so much more. That guilt doesn't just stay guilt. Over time, days, weeks, months, it morphs into resignation. You tell yourself, maybe this is just who I am. And then the calendar resets. A new year begins, and with it come the same old goals. You start off enthusiastic, powered by a mix of motivation and wishful thinking. But then, procrastination slips back in, sneaky and familiar like a guest who never knocks. Before long, procrastination becomes a habit, a loop, a daily cycle of stalling that eventually convinces you, maybe I'm just lazy. But what if that's not the truth? Many videos online will tell you to block apps or remove distractions. And sure, those can help temporarily, but they don't fix the real problem. The true obstacle isn't distractions, it's inertia. In physics, inertia is the principle that things at rest tend to stay at rest, and things in motion tend to stay in motion, unless something pushes them. That's Newton's first law, and it applies just as much to human behavior as it does to falling apples. The hardest part of any task is simply beginning, and we often make that first step feel overwhelming, so big that we avoid it altogether. So if the real enemy is inertia, then beating procrastination means breaking through that first barrier. And there are two simple ways to do it. The first is to lower the entry point. Take the pressure off. Instead of saying, I need to finish this entire essay today, say, let me just write a paragraph, even 50 words. That sounds doable, and that's the point. The smaller the first step, the easier it is to get going. The second method is the 2-minute rule. If you're avoiding something, commit to doing it for just 2 minutes. Don't feel like exercising? Put on a playlist, stretch for 2 minutes, and stop if you want. Don't feel like cleaning? Tidy up until the song ends. Odds are, once you begin, you'll keep going. That's the beauty of momentum. What starts as a push uphill quickly becomes a roll downhill. And that's why starting small is key. You're not trying to conquer the mountain all at once. Just take one simple step. These strategies can be used anywhere: fitness, passion projects, studying, or even relationships. All it takes is that first move. Like Martin Luther King Jr. once said, you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step.